guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking the tram to Jumeirah Beach Residence. We usually stop at JBR 2 station and then we take a walk to the beachfront. There are so many restaurants by the beach. I recommend that you look up online before you go. Some are more expensive than others. I've made a video about the Hurricane Grill restaurant before, so you can check that out. The amenities at the beach are not free, so these are the prices. I have the Cheesecake Factory video coming up, so subscribe to see that video. There's also this carnival and arcade games. It's especially more beautiful at night when the lights are on. Right behind all the restaurants, there are also fashion and beauty streets for you to do some shoppings. Finally, we are at Raising Cane's. The restaurant is super full because it was the New Year's Day. There's not that many combo options, which makes it easier for you to choose. We picked the box combo, which is a classic, and also a sandwich combo.
Slow it down, short on my expertise. Been a while since I had someone around to give me the love I need.
While waiting for our order to be ready, I went to see all the merchandise. These are some of the options. Their price is quite reasonable. Because the restaurant was too full for us to film and enjoy our meal slowly, we got it as a takeout instead to be enjoyed by the beach.
Not to rush my moves. Move with nature and she'll move with you. Got a thing or two from loving you, but I'm still frightened to tell you I do. Get it upside down. I never been afraid to let my heart fall out. I think we can make it 'cause we both grown now. Had some time to take to make it better.
Each combo comes with fries. This is the chicken sandwich combo. And this is the box combo, which comes with chicken fingers, fries, and a toast.
Out till the sun goes down.
The box combo also comes with the classic cane sauce.
Outside, out till the sun goes down. Yeah. Tongue tied, can't find the words around. Outside, out till the sun goes down. Tongue tied, can't find the words around.
This coleslaw is from the box combo as well.
You're a masterpiece. My clothes.
We did not finish the fries, so we packed it to bring home. This is the total bill for our Raising Cane's order.
Is a luxury, also seeks your company.
On this street of the JBR, you could spot a lot of supercars, and I believe there is a place to rent them as well.
In a silhouette up on the still, dolly brush stroke with the canvas. Gotta let the paint dry. Bourbon make us feel fine. Body heat make the skin cry. Baby, babe, it's a good night. When we wake up still on the bedside.
That is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of me exploring JBR and also trying Raising Cane's for the first time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click that notification bell so that you get notified the next time I post. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Your voice leading the choir to sing. If you don't mind me asking to be heard, my heart beats with yours, so you can take me on. I'm falling deep, it won't take long. So breathe the energy with a bit of Hennessy. We want skies and autumn leaves. Take all the